Hello students, in this lecture we are going to discuss cyclic and non-cyclic photophosphorylation. When ADP plus inorganic phosphate gives ATP molecule, the reaction is called photophosphorylation. In previous diagram, we discussed about electron transport. Here, photosystem 2 and photosystem 1 are working serially, and here ADP plus inorganic phosphate gives ATP. This is called non-cyclic photophosphorylation. And in second diagram, light energy is taken. Here chlorophyll A forms reaction center with the frequency P 700 nanometer, and ADP plus inorganic phosphate gives formation of ATP. That reaction is carried out in photosystem 1 only. When only PS1 is functional, the electron is circulated within photosystem and the photophosphorylation occurs due to cyclic flow of electrons. See here. Chlorophyll P700 nanometer frequency is formed, and chlorophyll A forms reaction center, and electron gets energized, travel towards the electron acceptor from electron transport system again to LHC. What is LHC? Light harvesting complex. This is light harvesting complex. So, the electron is travel in single photosystem, and ADP plus IP gives rise to ATP, adenosine triphosphate. This is cyclic flow. So this is called cyclic photophosphorylation. And when photosystem 2 and photosystem 1 work serially and ADP plus IP gives rise to ATP, in this case the phosphorylation is called non-cyclic or serial phosphorylation. So, what is difference between cyclic and non-cyclic photophosphorylation? When two systems are working serially and electron transfer is carried out from one photosystem to another photosystem. Like in Z scheme, it is called non-cyclic photophosphorylation. And when photophosphorylation reaction where ADP plus IP inorganic phosphate gives rise to ATP is carried out in single photosystem. This is called cyclic photophosphorylation. So remember these things. Keep studying, keep watching.